Okay, I'm going to try to explain how to fix audio problem. So the first thing is you have to go into your Bluetooth setting and delete McLaren iris connection, which is delete the car from the Bluetooth, and then also delete the KKS module. And then go into your Wi-Fi and delete the McLaren KKS Wi-Fi, which is transmitted by your McLaren KKS car module. Then restart your phone. Then once you have restarted, you go back and into your car, and activate your CarPlay by pressing and holding this button. And then when you see this screen, you think this is the only thing on the screen. I hope they would have just put 8 icons, but they have only put 4 icons at a time. So you put your finger here and swipe left. Then you see the setting. You go to the setting. Then in that you look at the system, and then you go to the factory mode. In the factory mode, you click on phone link setting and look at this disable phone link audio. If it was unchecked, then check it. If it was checked, then uncheck it and try it. But once you do that, mine was unchecked, so I checked it and then I hit apply. Then you go back one step and then you reboot. Once you reboot, you will get this screen, or it might be the first screen. So you slide it here and it's a CarPlay. So press the CarPlay and that will activate the connection where on your phone, first thing is the Bluetooth will connect to the McLaren car module. And then it will say where you want to connect the CarPlay. When you hit that, you will activate your Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi phone will connect with the McLaren KKS module Wi-Fi. After that is done, you need to go and add your phone to the Bluetooth connection with the iris. So you go to the home setting and add. If you had a phone on the iris, you might go to that device pairing, and if you had a phone, select and delete it, and then add again. Once that step is done, you press this music button and you will get Bluetooth audio. You click on that and you will see this, and then you select Bluetooth audio. Once that's done, most likely your sound should work.